Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable OPay card. If your OPay card is lost, stolen, or you suspect fraudulent activity, you can disable it immediately using the USSD code. Just go ahead and dial *955 *123#. I'm going to go over that again. *955 *132# from any phone, including the one that is not linked to your OPay account. Then enter your OPay account number, that's your registered phone number without the leading 0, and your PIN to confirm the action. This will block your OPay card instantly, preventing unauthorized transactions. Now, you can also do that using the OPay app. If you have access to your account via the OPay app, open the OPay app and log in. Check the bottom of the screen. You have a couple of icons: Home, Rewards, Finance, Cards, and Me. So just go ahead and tap on Me and it takes you here. So now that you have bank cards, just go ahead and select bank card and account. Select on any of the banks that you wish to disable and click on the delete button that is right next to the bank account. Now this will deactivate the card, making it unusable for transactions. If you're unable to disable your card using the methods I've shown you above, you can call OPay customer support at 0700 8888 328 or 01-8888-328. Likewise, you can send a request to customer service at opay-inc.com. Customer service at opay-inc.com. You can also chat with support via +234 9165 998936, or you can visit the nearest OPay office for assistance. Customer support can help you disable your card and investigate any suspicious activity. Blocking your OPay card is a temporary measure. If you recover your card and wish to use it again, you can unblock it using the same USSD code or by contacting customer support. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.